Hi everyone, Mike here for MyKeyReviews. In this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing for the Mavic Mini Fly More combo, as you can see there. So there are two varieties you can go for, either just a standalone drone, the Mavic Mini, and that's around £369, which is a very good price for what it is. But for not that much more extra, you can get this Fly More combo. It works out around £90 extra and you get some really good add-ons. So first of all, you get this really nice carry case which can hold everything in. You've got two extra batteries, so you're not limited just to one, so that's an hour and a half flight time altogether. So not only is this a battery charger, it also keeps them nice and safe, and you also get some bumper guards there as well as some additional spares like the propellers, etc. So anyway, let's take a look at the specs. So first of all, it's extremely lightweight, weighing in at only 249 grams. And the good thing about this weight is in various countries, the limit to start registering the drones starts at 250 grams. So they've made it 1 gram lighter so you don't have to. Then just above here we have the 30 minutes max flight time. Obviously that will depend on how you're flying it and the conditions that it's in. Then we have the 4-kilometer HD video transmission, which is very, very impressive. Then we have the vision sensor and GPS precise hover, which will help keep the drone sturdy. And to help with the smoothness, we've got a 3-axis gimbal and a 2.7K camera to go with it. Now, anyone who knows DJI will understand just how good their tech is when it comes to their gimbal. So you know very well that it's going to be very smooth, and in fact there are many YouTubers who've managed to get their hands on this product way before any other customer, and a lot of them have done some vigorous testing, and even if the drone is wobbling like crazy, that footage really is smooth. So it's very impressive. And the other feature is simplified recording and editing. Basically they have the DJI Fly app, which is gonna just basically simplify things. Oh, and then here we've got in the box, and to be honest that writing is so small. So let's just have a look in the box ourselves. It's the best way of getting in here. And I do apologise, this is the furthest I can zoom out with my camcorder, but pretty much everything's in view. Have a little seal here. Alright, so the first thing to come out is the carry case. We'll have a look inside in just a moment. Oh my, that's quite a few different boxes here. This, I believe, is the charger, because they're actually, well, there's icons right there. And where I'm in the UK, I've got the 3-pin UK adapter here with the USB socket. Once again, a nice little emblem. I'm really liking, the simplicity of the packaging. Really smart looking, and just these little icons as well. It's a really, really neat idea. Not everyone does that. There we are. So we've got the a little. Oh my god, that's quite a lot of different things. We've got an in the box guide, quick start guide, accessories, user guide, disclaimer and safety guidelines, and just another little card here to just kind of show you the do's and don'ts. Yeah, very nicely put together so far. We have another box. This one's quite heavy. Looks like that should be the batteries. Why am I struggling to find out where to open this? Ah, yes. 1, 2, 3 batteries. Yeah, so the battery's actually quite heavy. This is the final box that is inside. And once again, little icon there, so that these are going to be the little crash guards. That's pretty cool. Obviously, this is just going to be exactly the same as the other. Alright, so this is what we've been waiting for. Well, at least I have anyway. Been very excited to get this. I haven't actually owned a an advanced drone like this before, even though a lot of the serious YouTubers keep calling it as a hobbyist drone. But for me, this is as much as I can afford, so I'm very excited to have a go with this. All right, so I've got another box. That is, oh, I see. This is the Mavic Mini Combo accessories. All right, so we've got some variety of things in there, and there's one thing that's actually stuck all the way in the bottom. Let's see if I can get in on the other side. There we are. Trying to hide from me. Oh, so these are the little thumbsticks that go on the controller. This looks like a micro USB cable. Man, these little bags are very, very sticky. Yep, micro USB. We've got a little screwdriver in there. Okay, so we have, yep. We have these little adapters. Basically, these go into the controller, and we have a lightning adapter. We have a micro USB and a USB-C. And they've got these, basically all these packs have this little QR code. I assume it's to help you find a part should you need any more. Oh, we've got another micro USB cable there. So you've basically got a spare one. All right, so let's get to this one. This will be the battery charger. All right, so the batteries slot in this way. There's one. Two. And three. And then on the side here, you've got a little on-off button because basically what this does is actually also acts as a power bank, which is very handy to have. If you're going to charge it, you just want to put the micro USB into that bit there, and like I said, if you want to use it as a power bank, you've got a USB slot there. It's really neat. On the rear here, we have these little LED light indicators, which should tell you how fully charged they are. And just here we've got little LED lights to indicate the battery level. Okay, so when getting them out, it's actually not too difficult. You just gotta push this bit in and then pull it like that. But the only thing is it's very close to this edge here, so if you may be thinking that you're grabbing the entirety of the battery, but you're not, you're actually grabbing onto the charge as well. So you kind of need to pinch it, and it should come out nice and simple. Then we have, wait, what's this? We have another box. Oh Lord, let's get to that first. Ah, this is the Mavic Mini Combo Accessories 2. Ah, yeah, so these are the propellers. Oh, there's 4 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in total, there is 12 spare propeller blades, and they also come with little screws inside as well. I'm not going to open that because, knowing me, I will fling them everywhere, and I don't really want that. I'm liking how they've put everything together. There's literally space for everything, which is great. So we have the controller. These just screw in like that. It's very simple to screw in. Oh, I see. So the thumbsticks that I've just put in are actually spares because there are some thumbsticks right here, just underneath the controller. It's quite comfortable to hold, which is good. Yes, nice and compact. And finally, is there going to be another box? No, there is no other box inside. We have the drone, and you know what? The batteries weigh so much more than this. This is absolutely incredible. Look at this. Look how small that is. Absolutely amazing. How on earth something so small can fly so smoothly, even in wind? You know, I've been watching so many videos of people flying this, and just you're feeling how lightweight it is. I'm surprised just how good it is at what it does. Obviously, one thing to bear in mind, it doesn't come with the micro SD. You do need to get that yourself, but you can get them very cheap these days. Oh, I see. So this. Ah, okay, I see. Yeah, so there are stickers everywhere, but you know, they give you little tips. Like, for example, the one that I just took off, it says to remove the gimbal protector before each flight. So this is just, you know, whilst it's in storage, just to keep it nice and safe. But it's quite easy to put on and off. Yeah, so we've got the little battery hatch in there. You've got room for the micro SD there, and just to the left of that, we have the micro USB port. All right, so then when putting it back, start off with the rear ones first, then fold back the front ones. And there we have it. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing. Thank you very much for watching. I'm just going to quickly show you just how everything fits back in there. That goes there, so that's all the spare parts, followed by the other spare parts. We have the battery charger there. Look how snug that fits in there, everything you need. That's fantastic. So portable. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video.